How to turn on or turn off WidgetKit Developer Mode on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, we scroll down, and at the bottom here, tap on Developer. Now if you do not have Developer, you can turn it on by going into Privacy and Security. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Developer Mode. In here, turn on Developer Mode. Then we go back into Settings and then tap on Developer. Then scroll down and in here tap on WidgetKit Developer Mode. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And here it said when turned on, your widgets will not be subject to the standard WidgetKit constraints to allow for debugging. And that's it. After you can swipe up at the bottom to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.